Today we're talking about not one, but two ways to melt the competition. You can achieve professional results from even the most sensitive components with the Stahl Tools DSDS digital temperature controlled soldering and desoldering station. The desoldering gun comes with small, medium, and large tips for removing various size components, and also features two filters to absorb the solder, preventing it from reaching the electric vacuum motor, both of which can be removed and replaced. With heat from 320 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily switch between production and service, especially with two independent screens showing you the desired temperature and the actual temperature for each side. All this in one ESD-safe device powered by a single power cord is why people choose the Stahl Tools digital solder and desoldering station. Order yours today only from Parts Express.